Good morning. If you don't know, my name is Emma. I am a 21-year-old cabin crew member with who is obsession with food and gut health because I have to. But today I thought I would film a little home vlog. I did start yesterday. Me and Belle went out for an acai bowl in Leeds, so I will insert that footage here. It was gorgeous. I would very much go again. I loved it. I'm just having my morning coffee. Got an espresso. I've actually got a pumpkin one because we had some left over and I love the pumpkin ones. I'm going to film some baking today. I'm going to bake a Bakewell tart from the new Janes Pattiserie book that I got for Christmas, and I'm going to do some other meal prepping just for work for the next couple of weeks, as I've got a busy couple of weeks coming up. And I'm off for a waggers later, so it's a very good day. I'm very excited, so come with me. The thing that I'm baking today is Janes Pattiserie Bakewell Slice, because Mum and Dad love Bakewell Slice, so I'm going to make that for them. I'm going to make it gluten and dairy free, so I'm going to do a few alternatives to it, but absolutely bacon. That's just a calico from matcha. So yeah, I'm so excited to bake this. I'm going to make, because you meant to have cherry jam, which we don't have, so I'm going to make cherry jam with frozen cherries. So I need to do that first, I think. We've got all the elements together. We've got the almond pastry, we've got the cherry jam, which I'm actually quite proud of. That actually looks really good. We've got the frangipane, so we're going to layer it all together and then bake it. The bake is out. How good does that look? It's risen so well and you can see all the jam rising up. So I'm going to leave it to cool, and then I might put some icing over it. I'm unsure yet, but it does look really good. So, I'm not sure if you can see me, it's really sunny, but I have left the cake to cool, Bakewell tart, and I'm just going to walk, just get some steps and get some fresh air. I'm going to get back and start my nutrition course, which I'm really excited for. Signed up to it the other day, and I got my funding through for it, so it means I can start to enroll, so I'm going to have a look at that. But yeah, I'm going to decorate the cake as well. Cake, the tart. I said to Mum and Dad, would you like icing on? And they said yes. So, icing they shall have. And anyone also tell me why it's gone to 1 degree in the space of a week? Like last week it was cold, but this week you can see my breath. It's so chilly. Okay, so I decorated the cake, which is on my little time lapse. And now I'm gonna cut it up and see what it looks like inside. I'm very excited. Okay, so I'm actually so proud of it. The pastry is burnt and the jam's slightly burnt. But I think next time I just won't put it into blind bake as long. They're all the pieces. If anyone wants Bakewell, please come round. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. I did try a few of the crumbs as I was cutting it. Obviously you have to tidy up, and it is amazing. I've got to say, that frangipane, to say it's dairy and gluten free, is the fluffiest thing I have ever tasted. Like, it is so good. I'm very happy. I'm just about to get ready and I'm gonna go for walkers. Yes. Also going to link the recipe for the Bakewell tart, not cake, in the comments below, if you'd like to have a look at the book. But yeah, thank you so much. Bye.